How to fix Personal Hotspot not working on iPhone. If your iPhone hotspot isn't connecting to other devices, here are the steps to troubleshoot it. First, swipe down from the top right and tap the airplane icon. This disconnects Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again to reconnect. Next, open the Settings app. Tap on Personal Hotspot under Cellular. Make sure the hotspot is turned on and double-check the Wi-Fi password you're sharing. If you're connecting a non-Apple device, scroll down and turn on Maximize Compatibility. Since Hotspot uses your mobile data, make sure you actually have a strong connection. Open Safari, search Speed Test, and run a quick test. If your data is very slow, the hotspot won't work well. Try moving to an area with stronger signal. If it's still not working, go back to Settings Cellular. Toggle cellular data off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Confirm that Personal Hotspot is enabled here as well. If nothing changes, restart your iPhone. In Settings General, scroll down and tap Shut Down. Then power it back on. Still no luck? Go to Settings General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, and hotspot settings all at once. Finally, if your hotspot still doesn't work, it may be a carrier limitation. Some mobile plans only allow a set amount of hotspot data per month. Open Safari and search Hotspot Data Limit, your carrier name, to check your plan. If you've used up your limit, you'll need to wait for your billing cycle to reset or upgrade your plan. And that's how you can fix an iPhone hotspot that isn't working.